Okay, first we need to create a maze sketch. So select XY plane, then create arc by center endpoint. We do 50. Okay. Add a line. 5mm. Okay. Finish the sketch. Cancelled. Yes. Okay. Next, we need to use surface and swept. First, select the sketching with this line. Get we need an eyebrow roll 307. Okay. With we need add degree 6. Okay. Next, we need to use particle geometry. Okay. Next, use code. Create bridge code. Okay. So next we need to use surface tube 5mm and need to select tangent curves. So okay, wait a minute. Nice. Hide the surface. Okay, we quickly finish the model. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.